See the second problem. Choose the correct option and justify your choice here. See, first one will be 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 degrees. We know that tan 30 degrees is equal to, so tan 30 is sin 30 by cos 30. Sin 30 by cos 30. So we know sin 30 is 1 by 2 divided by cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So these two get cancelled. So 1 by root 3 will get here. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So the problem is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30 is equal to 2 tan 30. 2 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3 whole square will get, which is equal to, so this will be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 by root 3 whole square will be 1 by 3. So if you simplified here only, so 2 by root 3 into, if we take LCM, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3 will get, 4 by 3 reciprocal will be 3 by 4 will get. So 2 ones are 2 twos are here. So we'll get here 3 divided by 2 root 3. So this 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Now this root 3 and square will get cancelled. So finally we'll get here square root 3 divided by 2 is the answer for this one. So but here they given sin 60, cos 60, tan 60 and sin 30. We know that root 3 by 2 is the value for sin 60. So this can be written as sin 60 degrees here. So option A is the answer here. Next, second one. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. We know that tan 45 will be 1 here. So tan 45 1 means 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 will be 0 divided by 1 plus 1 will be 2 here. So 0 by 2 is nothing but 0 here. Now we will check that answer. So already directly they given here. So option D is the answer here. Next for third one, sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a is true when a is equal to. So sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. Okay, is true when a is equal to. So here when these two angles will be equal, so when the value of a, when it will be equal, we have to find out here. So when it is equal means we know sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a. So by using options, if we'll check here, so substitute let a is equal to 0 if we take here. So a will be 0 means sin 2 into 0 degrees is equal to sin 0. Sin 0 is nothing but 0 only. Even RHS side if we substitute here, 2 into sin 0. So which is equal to 2 into 0 is equal to 0 is the answer here. So both LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore, the value of A is equal to 0 is the answer. So if you check the sin 30 degrees also, sin 30 will be, we know A is equal to 30 means 2 into 30 will be 60. Sin 60 will be root 3 by 2. Here sin 30 will be 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So it cannot possible. So only for A is equal to 0 only. This is the, it is true. Next, the fourth one will be 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So 2 tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So we know that 2 tan 30. So 2 tan 30 will be, tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. So 1 by root 3 whole square here, which is equal to, this will be 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 square is 1 divided by root 3 whole square will be 3 here. Is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 3 into 1. So 3 minus 1 divided by 3 will get here, which is equal to 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of the denominator. So 3 divided by 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 here. 2 and 2 get cancelled. So 3 by root 3 will get here. This 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. So the square and square root 3 will get cancelled. Only square root 3 will get here. So square root 3 value, if you check the options here, we know cos 60 is 1 by 2, sin 60 is root 3 by 2, tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 can be written as tan 60 degrees here. So option C is the answer for this one. Okay. Next, third one. If tan of a plus b is equal to square root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, where a plus b is lying between 0 degrees and less than or equal to 90 degrees, where a is greater than b, find a and b here. See, given that tan of a plus b is equal to square root 3. Okay, tan of a plus b equals square root 3 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so we know that so tan of a plus b is equal to square root 3 can be written as in terms of tan, that is tan 60 degrees. We know tan 60 is equal to square root 3. So tan 60 is equal to square root 3 means tan of a plus b is nothing but tan 60 here. So both the sides tan will get cancelled. So a plus b is equal to 60 degrees will get here. This is equation number 1. The same way tan of a minus b. So tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 can be written as tan 30 degrees. 1 by root 3 is nothing but tan 30. So both the sides tan will get cancelled. So a minus b is equal to 30 degrees. This is the option number 2 here. Now here by option 2, what we can write here, a is nothing but minus b sin that side plus b 30 degrees. Okay. So this a value substitute in equation 1 here. So what you will get here, a is nothing but b plus 30. So here already we got a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A value will be b plus 30 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees. B plus b, 2b is equal to 30 degrees, send that side 60 minus 30. So 2b is equal to 60 minus 30 will be 30 degrees. So b is equal to 30 by 2 is nothing but 15 degrees will get here. So b will be 15. So b value substitute in A. B value substitute in capital A here. Okay. So A is equal to b plus 30. So A is equal to b is equal to 15. So 15 plus 30 degrees. So A is equal to 15 plus 30 will be 45 degrees here. Therefore, the values of A is equal to 45 degrees and B is equal to 15 degrees is the answer for. Next, fourth one. State whether the following are true or false and justify your answer. So first one is sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So this one we have to prove whether it is true or false. So sin of A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. So this will be false. We will get how means let A is equal to any angle you can take. Suppose A is equal to 30 degrees and B is equal to 45 degrees we are taking here. here, or B is equal to 60 degrees you can take. 60 degrees. So now, so they given sine of A plus B. So sine of A plus B value is sine of A plus B. A is 30 degrees and B is 60 degrees. So 30 plus 60 is 90. So sine 90 degrees is equal to 1 here. And they given RHS side sine A plus sine B. So sine A is equal to 30 degrees. So sine 30 degrees plus sine B is sine 60 degrees. We know that sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So this can be written as root 3 plus 1 by 2 here. So which means LHS is not equal to RHS. So sine of A plus B is not equal to sine A plus sine B. So this is false here. Next, second one, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Yes, this is true. How means we know sine 0 degrees will be 0 and sine 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2 and sine 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 and sine 60 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 and sine 90 degrees is equal to 1. So as theta is increasing here, so we are getting 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2 and root 3 by 2, 1 here. So theta is increasing and sine value is also increasing here. So that's why it is true here. Next, third one is the value of cos theta increases as theta increasing. So the value of cos theta will be increased as theta increases means this is false here. Why? Because we know cos 0 will be 1 and cos 30 degrees is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos 45 degrees is equal to 1 by root 2 and finally cos 90 degrees is equal to 0 will be here. So for theta it is increasing the 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 90 degrees, but the value of cos will be decreasing here. 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, finally we are getting here 0. So this is decreasing here. So that's why this is the false statement. Next, fourth one is sine theta is equal to cos theta for all values of theta. So this is also false. For all values of theta means only one value for these both are equal. Remaining all the values are false here. Suppose theta is equal to pi by 4 I'm taking or nothing but 45 degrees we are taking. So at this case only sine 45 is equal to cos 45. So both the values is equal to 1 by root 2 will get here. For theta is equal to 30 degrees if you will take. So sine 30 is equal to 1 by 2 and cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So sine 30 is not equal to cos 30. Okay. For all the time, it is not possible here. Next, fifth one is, so cot A is not defined for A is equal to 0 degrees. So cot A is equal to, so cot A can be written as cos A divided by sin A. We know that cos A, so for A is equal to 0 means cos 0 degrees divided by sin 0 degrees. So cos 0 is 0. Sorry, cos 0 is 1 divided by sin 0 will be 0. So 1 by 0 it will be not defined. So not defined means they given here not defined. So this is true here. Okay, this is true. So if we written here, first one is false, second one is true, third one is false, and fourth one is also false. Fifth one will be true here. Okay. Okay. Thank you, students.